holy Buddha Purnima, one of the most sacred festivals for the Buddhist community worldwide. This auspicious day, observed on the full moon of the month of Baishakh, holds profound significance as it commemorates three major events in the life of Gautama Buddha. Since 2000, the United Nations has recognized this day globally as International Vesak Day. Buddha Purnima holds deep significance because three major events in the life of Gautama Buddha took place on this very same Baishakhi full moon day. He was born in Lumbini as Prince Siddhartha, attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya at the age of 35, and at the age of 80 attained Mahaparinirvana in Kushinagar. These three sacred events make this day profoundly meaningful for Buddhists worldwide.
এই বৈশাখী পূর্ণিমার উপলক্ষে আমরা এই বিশেষ দিনে বুদ্ধকে ফুল দিয়ে পূজা করি, বুদ্ধকে পানীয় দিয়ে পূজা করি, বুদ্ধকে পূজা দিই, ঐশ্বরিক দান করি, তারপরে নানাবিধ বিভিন্ন দান করে আমরা প্রার্থনা করি।
আমরা প্রদীপ উজ্জ্বলন দেব এবং অনেকে আবার আকাশ প্রদীপও জ্বালাবে, আকাশে ফানুস উড়াবে। এই আজকের দিনটা হলো আমাদের সবচেয়ে আনন্দের দিন এবং স্মৃতির দিন।
এই দিনে সিদ্ধার্থের জন্মগ্রহণ এবং বুদ্ধের বুদ্ধত্ব লাভ এবং মহানির্বাণ, তাই বৌদ্ধ ধর্মের জন্য আজকের এই দিনটি অত্যন্ত তাৎপর্যপূর্ণ এবং ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ডে হিসেবে বৈশাখ ডে হিসেবে পরিচিত।
বুদ্ধ পূর্ণিমা ভবতু সর্বমঙ্গলং রক্ষন্তু।
On Buddha Purnima, Buddhist monasteries across Bangladesh come alive with spiritual fervor. Devotees observe Panchasila and Ashtasila, offer prayers, recite sutras, hoist religious flags, illuminate temples, and engage in acts of charity and meditation. Special discussions on Buddha's life, the Four Noble Truths, and his timeless message of peace and non-violence are organized. In different places of Bangladesh, including Dhaka, Chattogram, Bazar, Rangamati, Khagrachhari, and Bandarban, the Buddhist community celebrates this day with great enthusiasm and devotion. As a public holiday, people from Buddhist community dedicate the day to worship, reflection, and spreading Buddha's message of harmony. But Buddha Purnima is not only a religious celebration for Buddhists alone. In Bangladesh, where people of different faiths live together, this festival beautifully reflects the unity and communal harmony that defines our nation. Bangladesh is home to Muslims, Hindus, Buddhists, Christians, and other communities. We hold a culture of coexistence, ensuring that every citizen, regardless of religion, enjoys equal rights and respect. Religious festivals like Eid, Durga Puja, Christmas, and Buddha Purnima are not just celebrated by their respective communities, they become moments of shared joy, mutual respect, and collective celebration. When Buddhist monasteries glow with lights and colorful flags during Buddha Purnima, when people from all walks of life participate in the spirit of peace and goodwill, we witness the true essence of Bangladesh, a land where diversity is our strength and harmony is our tradition. Buddha taught that peace can only be achieved through peace. On this sacred day, as Buddhists renew their commitment to compassion and non-violence, the entire nation is reminded of the values that bind us together. Through the celebration of Buddha Purnima, we see once again that religious festivals in Bangladesh are more than just rituals. They are powerful expressions of our national unity, brotherhood, and shared humanity.